Thanks, Mom. There's one last one here. That could be the blue. The blue coming in. Got. Oh!
Oh, look, the green's dropping again. Look, this one.
My boat.
Oh, look, the blue is dripping. Does it have a cup?
Yes, it's right here.
Okay. Catch it! The blue!
I know.
Is that cup gonna catch it?
It is.
Okay.
See? See, I told you.
Good job.
Oh, it just went over.
Everyone on Medicare will get coronavirus coverage, but you may now also be eligible for additional Medicare-approved benefits, including dental, vision, hearing, and prescription drugs. Plus, benefits like free hearing aids, free eyeglasses, free meal delivery, prescription drug coverage, and expanded at-home telehealth visits.
Oh, wow. We got a whole rainbow here. We got a whole rainbow here. We got a whole rainbow. Red, green, yellow, orange and purple, orange and purple, and blue. Ah! It's going into the red! No! There we go. Oh, wow.